Hey guys, now Press 1 here, and today I'm going to review the Surpass Hobby F540 V2 sensorless brushless motor, 4370 kV with a 60 amp ESC. This video is not sponsored. First in the box, we've got some manuals, the ESC, very nice, and you got your motor. Got protected by a piece of foam. Protect this. Very nice. This is 2 to 3S LiPo compatible. The BEC is 5.8 volts and 3 amps. Got your switch over here. Got your BAC, this way it plugs into the receiver, got your 3 wires going to the motor, and you've got this going to your battery, your motor. 4370 kV brushless motor. And it's waterproof too. Both of these are waterproof. The car I am going to be putting this on is a Tamiya plasma edge. First, what I want to do is remove the body. This car currently goes really slow, and I'll give you a test. Actually, maybe not. Let me tell you, this goes about roughly 25 kilometers an hour, which seriously is not enough for me. That's what we're gonna do. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz system. That's how I modified it. And now we're gonna have to pull the wires out of the receiver. Pull. This is an old one, so you've got a separate BAC wire, and pull the plug to channel 2 out. You've got your ESC out. Got to do now, take your ESC off and take your motor off. What you will need to use, I like to use a flathead screwdriver to pry off my electronic parts. I wouldn't recommend this, but I do it. If you do this, be careful, do it in little bits at a time so that you don't snap your ESC in half. This is harder than I thought. I'd rather the receiver sticks as hard as the ESC. Servo, got to disconnect that since it's all zip tied in here, and what I gotta do is cut it off. Now that the zip ties are off, well, I made a mess of it, we are ready to remove the motor and the ESC. Now that I got the motor mounted, we're gonna have to connect the wires to the ESC. They aren't color coded, so I guess I'm gonna have to guess. So I'm gonna have to guess. Boom. Done. just so I'm going to reconnect everything. Servo goes into channel 1. Boom. This goes into channel 2. Boom. It's done. I'll have to go get a battery. Sting. Cool. Into the correct model memory. That goes faster, so we'll have to go over some wires. Let's try reversing these 2 wires. And let's see what happens. There we go. What I've got to do now is we go reverse the servo. Wow, this is fast. Work. Go on the ground. Yep, and it works. What we're gonna do now is tighten the stuff in them. Battery. Let's go tie it down. Oh, wait, is this no. Screw this with me. So I'm gonna have to mount the switch somewhere else. And on here and here. Because that's where the battery connects. Enough room for the receiver. Boom. Perfect. We go get some double-sided tape. And we're ready to mount it down. Some double-sided tape on here. Oops. Put a red layer off. The ESC on over here. Perfect. Receiver. This needs new tape. This will not hold. Great. It's sticky on the side. We don't want, and it's not sticky on the side we want. Let's go and remove the tape. let's go get some more double-sided tape. I'm not going to stick it down. Perfect. Perfect. The wires need to settle a bit, but the switch needs to be mounted somewhere. Oh, it's going to be mounted. Not going to be very practical. I don't know if I put that. Maybe, but we'll worry about that later. Trying to get the battery mounted. Not sure if it's most likely to fit. Wow, fits. Whoa. Sure the ESC's off. Let's go test it. So let's test it a little. Here. Ooh, wow. 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 That's how powerful it is. Oops. These tires are really new. This is super fast, and I think it'll be fun. Oops.